gonna start recording. We're gonna unbox right now the light that says, "This is where the magic happens." That's gonna be posted right here on this wall. This is eventually gonna be posted and mounted on the wall, but for right now it's just on the floor. I have a vision for this room basically. And yeah, I kind of want to turn it into a like yoga meditation room. So we'll see how it goes. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty.
This doesn't have batteries.
Oh no! I was like, we're ready? Doesn't have batteries. Okay. Does it need batteries? It's so pretty. This cost me, I believe, $200. I'm gonna go ahead and post the vendor's information down in the description below. And thank you guys for watching. Until next video.